is giving me 5-year-old kid, you know, like.
Met this pretty thing, nice to meet you, mucho gusto. Sweet.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Bienvenidos nuevamente a mi canal. I need a new intro for 2021 because this is getting old. This is getting really old. But that's besides the point. So in today's video, I will be showing you guys how I put on this wig. Believe it or not, this is a headband wig. I didn't think I was gonna hop on this bandwagon. I know a lot of people did it back in like the end of 2020. I want to say the end of 2020. I was really hesitant to try it out, and I say this a lot in the video. I was really hesitant to try it out, but it is so simple and easy, and I've just been thinking about when I could use it and different hairstyles I could do with the wig, and I'm like, why didn't I do this shit before? So if you guys want to see how I installed this wig and what I think, my thoughts and opinions and all that jazz, keep on watching this video. But before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Turn on your bell notifications so you do get notified every time I post a new video. And also like this video if you like this type of content. Like, do you really like hair videos? Thumbs up this video so I know, and I'll bring you on more, you know. Okay, let's get into the video. So in today's video, I am going to be trying out the headband wig. This was really popping back in 2020. I saw a lot of people trying it. I was very hesitant to try it just because it's just like I'm not a headband type of person. You know what I mean? So I was like, do I really? But then I saw someone, I think it was Arnell, and she had the headband wig with like a scarf on top, so you couldn't really see the headband. And I was like, okay, but that's kind of cute though. That's kind of versatile. Like, I could do that. You know what I'm trying to say? So I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and try the headband wig. So today we're going to be using a headband wig from ISEE Hair. I've worn their hair before in the past. I think it was a blonde unit. I will insert a pic right here if I can find it, because I kind of deleted all my photos, but I'll see if I can find one and I'll post it right here. If not, oh well. Excuse my voice. I'm sick. Okay, I'm getting over my sickness, so I shouldn't even be filming at this point, but listen, the grind never stops. Okay. Okay, so in this little bag, what we have, this is gonna be like a super quick thing because you ain't gotta do much. It's a headband wig. I don't even need to braid my hair or nothing. So first that I see is the different headbands that they sent me with the wigs. I don't know if I want to use any of those, but we'll see. And then you have their little business card, or what is it called? A business flyer. A business flyer with all their information. I will leave it right here for you guys in case you're interested to follow them on Instagram and WhatsApp and all their social media. And then they sent me some wig caps in the nude color, and then we have the wig, and I also got some 3D lashes, which is cute. So as you guys can see, I dyed my hair black over the New Year's, like right before the New Year's. I started making a video about it. Like, I started recording the process, but then I had to dye it again like twice after that because my hair was so blonde, so the color didn't pick up. But I will probably make like a separate video about that. I'm gonna see if I can find the footage and like finish that video so I can post it for you guys so you guys can see like the before and after, because I was gonna do like a braided ponytail tutorial, but baby girl, I didn't have patience to do that, so I was like, yeah, no. So I just dyed my hair. That's all I did. The wig is a 24-inch water wave wig. So this is what it looks like. I kind of already sort of ran my fingers through it when I got it earlier in the mail, but the hair feels really soft and really nice. I really thought the waves were going to be a little bit looser. I didn't think they were going to be so tight, but I don't mind. It's whatever, you know. So with my hair, okay, so basically we're going to tackle this. I don't know how, but we're going to tackle this, okay? So I'm going to take a spray bottle with water, and I'm just going to spray the perimeter of my hair. I'm just going to spray down my hair. My hair is so like thick, so I don't know. Do not brush your hair like I'm doing. I know I'm supposed to brush my curly hair from the ends and up, but honestly, listen, I'm just trying to have this shit in a ponytail. It's not tight at all. I'm not trying to have a headache right now, so I'm just gonna keep it a little bit, you know, on the looser end or whatever. So they did send me a wig cap, but honestly, I just don't feel like wearing a wig cap. I don't think I need it. It would be great if you have way more hair than me to just keep the hair down and together. I don't think I need that. So I'm out of breath because I'm sick, y'all. I'm sorry. Okay, so basically the wig comes with this headband already attached to it. As you guys can see, there's a headband all around the perimeter of the wig. This is the back, and it just works like this. Like that. The wig also comes with 4 combs, 1 in the center, 2 on the sides, and 1 in the back. Kind of the same construction as a regular wig. The only thing is, like, this is just bundles. It's missing a frontal. That's really what it is. So we're gonna see how this works. Oh, we love that. I would probably recommend to use the combs when it comes to a headband wig, just because that way you know for a fact it's secure. I think it's a little bit too big. I'm not sure. This is gonna be the quickest hair tutorial ever. So I'm just gonna put it up so I can, you know, tie the back or whatever without any hairs in the way. So okay, obviously I want my headband probably, I want it folded like this. No, I do not. That's a lie. Okay, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put some gel on my hair just to keep the hairs in the front down. Not me getting gel on my wall. Wow. I think I want my wig like this. Okay, this wig is definitely too big for me. So, okay, so the wig is too big for me. So what I'm going to do is that I'm just going to tie this, and then I'll just fix it later when I'm actually going to use the wig. Like whenever I remove the wig, I'll fix it. Okay, but this is kind of cute though. I mean, I need some baby hairs. That's for sure. So let's try the different headbands that they sent me to see if I even like any of them. Okay, so we have a black floral one that looks like this. Then we have a black butterfly one, and this one looks like this. Then we have this one. This is like a navy blue kind of chains, jewelry, roses type of situation. I don't really know exactly what's going on here, but we got this one. Then we just got some nice flowers and greenery, like plants and stuff. It's like a navy blue color. And lastly, we have some more roses, plants, and greenery, but this is a black one. I don't really like any of them, and I don't really have an alternative. Or do I? Hold on, I'm gonna go ahead and check what I have. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this one that I have. This is like a red one. I think I got this at Forever 21 years ago. It's just like a scarf, so you could probably wear this like different ways. So I'm just folding this corner with corner. It's kind of dirty though. I should have definitely cleaned this prior to this video. Do I want to put it like this, or do I want to put it like that? I'm just gonna put it over the headband. Okay, I'll probably wear it like this. This is cute or whatever. So I would definitely create some baby hairs to like put the look together, because right now it just looks like, I don't know. Okay, so I'm just gonna take my baby hairs and pull them out. They can come out to play. Okay, headband wig, I see you. I really like it. This was so easy. This is such a good like go-to hairstyle. But for the sake of this video, I will be trying on the headbands that they sent me with the wig, just because, I mean, why not? I'm not gonna try on all of them. I'm gonna try on some of them. I'm gonna go with this navy blue one first. I'm not really sure how they're supposed to go. Where's the... Okay, I think they're supposed to be like this. It's just is giving me 5-year-old kid, you know, like this is not it for me. You know, actually, matter of fact, I'm not gonna try on the rest ones, but this is just personal preference. Like, if you like any of these, what is it called, like textures or whatever, you can go ahead and use them. But I like it. I'm not gonna wet it. I kind of want to, but then I'm like, do I really though? I don't think so. I am gonna go ahead and do my makeup, and then I'll be back to like finish off this video a little bit more put together. I'm gonna put on this again, and I'll see you guys in a bit. So as you guys can see, I went ahead and I did my makeup just to finish up this video. I feel like the look, I mean the hair, I guess, looks way more like put together since my face is done. But yeah, I really like this headband situation. I didn't think I was gonna like it at all, if I'm being completely honest. I was so hesitant to actually try it out, but I don't regret it at all, because it's such a good wig to just throw on and go if you need to run errands. It's a really good vacation wig if you don't want to deal with your hair, but you kind of still want length and inches, but you don't want to deal with the maintenance of a frontal. So I feel like this headband wig is good for a lot of things. It's really good if you want to go to the gym but you still want to look cute. Okay, I'm not the type of person, because I really don't give a fuck, but it's cute nonetheless, you know. So I feel like, you know, you can use it for a lot of different things. It could be like an everyday wig. You just want to have your edges out, you want to let your hair breathe a little bit from frontals and your skin and stuff like that. This is a perfect alternative. So I would definitely recommend to, you know, cop one of these. They have different, you know, straight, body wave, this water wave. I think they also have like kinky, like super kinky curly, and they also have like with blonde stripes, I think it is, like blonde highlights. But I don't know, I will leave all the links to this wig in the description box down below, so don't forget to check it out and copy you some hairband wig, baby, because definitely I'm hopping on the bandwagon too, because this is really it. Y'all definitely gonna see me rocking this wig, you know, a lot, because sometimes I be lazy and I don't feel like dealing with like frontals and closures and all that stuff, and it's just perfect to throw on this wig and just throw a headband on and go about your day, you know. I'm definitely very, very pleasantly surprised with the outcome of this video, of this unit on me. As I said, I didn't think I was gonna like it. I ended up liking it a lot. So shout out to iseehair for sending me this wig. And again, all the links will be in the description box down below. Don't forget to check them out, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.